20 Facts about strength training. Strength training is a key component of overall fitness that offers numerous physical and mental health benefits. Whether you're lifting free weights, using resistance machines, or performing bodyweight exercises, here are 20 essential facts about strength training. 1. Increases muscle mass. Regular strength training stimulates muscle growth, improving strength and definition. 2. Boosts metabolism. Muscle burns more calories at rest than fat, making strength training effective for long-term weight management. 3. Improves bone density. Resistance, exercises stimulate bone growth and help prevent osteoporosis. 4. Enhances joint health. Stronger muscles provide better support to joints, reducing injury risk. 5. Reduces body fat. Strength training helps burn fat by increasing lean muscle mass. 6. Supports mental health. It releases endorphins, which can improve mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. 7. Increases strength and endurance. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your ability to perform everyday tasks. 8. Improves posture. Building core and back strength helps correct posture and alignment. 9. Promotes heart health. Regular training can reduce blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. 10. Enhances balance and stability. Strengthening the lower body and core improves coordination and balance. 11. Helps control blood sugar. It improves insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. 12. Reduces risk of injury. Strength training fortifies muscles and connective tissues, which can help prevent injuries. 13. Increases confidence. Seeing physical improvements and lifting heavier weights boosts self-esteem. 14. Adaptable for all levels. Programs can be tailored to suit beginners to advanced athletes. 15. Improves sleep quality. Strength training is linked to deeper and more restful sleep. 16. Can be done anywhere. Bodyweight exercises or resistance bands make it possible to train at home or while traveling. 17. Speeds up recovery. Strength training can improve circulation and muscle repair post-exercise. 18. Supports healthy aging. It helps preserve muscle mass and function as we age. 19. Improves athletic performance. Strength training enhances power, speed, and agility for athletes in any sport. 20. Builds discipline and routine. Committing to a strength training program promotes consistency and a healthy lifestyle. Incorporating strength training into your fitness routine, even just 2 to 3 times per week, can lead to significant improvements in your physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.